My name is Ramiro, but most of my students call me Ram. I was born and raised in New York. I have 15 years experience teaching English for the call center industry. I had a great opportunity to work at a call center academy. I'm currently teaching in finishing school. I love all types of music, and teaching accent training is my passion. Welcome at the restaurant. Today we will learn food vocabulary and phrases. But before we get started, here's a little tip. When learning new vocabulary, think of all the words associated to the new word you learned. For example, if the new word you learned was shirt, think about everything associated to it. For example, multiple shirts are clothing. You need a hanger to put the shirt in your closet. The different types of shirts: t-shirts, polos, dress shirts. The different colors: dark blue, black, white, green. And even patterns: checkered, polka dot, zigzag. So remember, every time you learn a new word, think of all the words that are associated to that one word. So let's get started. In this slide, you're going to see a lot of useful vocabulary for this lesson. And I broke it down into different categories, and I want you to repeat after me. We're going to start with first, food types. Food times are the different times of the day when you eat. The first word we have is breakfast, lunch, dinner. And in between those, you might get a snack. So food times are the different times of the day when we eat. Next, we have food. Hamburger. Some people like it with cheese. It's called a cheeseburger. Pizza. Hot dog. Spaghetti. Sometimes it's called pasta. Steak. Sandwich. Eggs. Bacon. And one of my favorites, beans. This is the food category. The next one is also food, but these are considered sides. We have bread, mashed potatoes, French fries. Which do you prefer, mashed potatoes or French fries? Salad, soup, cheese, cream. These are our side. They complement our main food. The last one we have are desserts. Desserts or snacks. The first one we have are chips. What are your favorite chips? Cookies. Do you like soft, chewy cookies or crunchy cookies? Nuts and yogurt. And the last category we have are beverages, like soda, OJ, sometimes called OJ, but it's orange juice. Coffee. Do you like milk with your coffee? Do you take it black? Tea. Hibiscus tea. That's the red one you get in different parties here in Guatemala. And horchata. That's the white one you get. They normally come together. So, right now, I want you guys to pause this video. We just reviewed a lot of vocabulary. Go over the vocabulary. Make sure you understand all of it, because we're going to use most of them in this video. Welcome back. Let's practice. Breakfast time. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I want you to use a little bit of your imagination. Imagine you're at your favorite restaurant for breakfast. What are you going to order? I have an example here. I would like to order eggs, bacon, beans, and bread. And to drink, I want a coffee with milk and 2 sugars. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Pause the video and think about what your breakfast order would be. Do me a favor, in that comment section of this video, type in your breakfast order. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Once you're done, come back to the video. Welcome back. I have a little role play scenario for you guys. I'm going to read the letters in black, and I want you guys to answer with the letters in green. I will play the role of the waitress, waiter, server, and you guys will be the customers. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning. Would you like to see the menu? Here you go. We have eggs, toast, pancakes, and coffee. Would you like milk or sugar in your coffee? Sure. Anything else? Okay. Your breakfast will be ready soon. You're welcome. Enjoy. If you want to practice this again, rewind the video and practice it again until you feel comfortable. Read the vocabulary, understand the vocabulary. Try it again. We have more in this video. This is the first one. But make sure you're very comfortable with what you're reading and how you sound. All right, let's practice, guys. This time we're going to go with lunch. Lunchtime. Lunch is a meal that you eat at noon or midday. A couple of questions for you guys. What do you normally have for lunch? What do you eat for lunch? Pause this video and in the comment section, write down what your normal lunch order is. I have some pictures here. Look at picture number 1. What is that? Try to be as descriptive as possible. That is a pepperoni and cheese pizza. Do you like pepperoni pizza? Let's look at number 2. What do we have? That looks like a delicious cheeseburger. What do you prefer? Cheeseburgers or pizza? Look at it, image number 3. What do we have? We have a hot dog and French fries. Now, out of these 3 images, what's your favorite? Me personally, I love hamburgers. Now we're going to role play our lunch scenario. Remember, I will read the waiter, server, waitress portion, and you guys read the customer portion. Good evening. Are you ready to order? Would you like a drink? Anything else? Okay. Your food will be ready soon. You're welcome. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Again, I want you to practice this a couple of times, so rewind this video. Whenever you feel comfortable pronouncing the words, saying them at an appropriate pace, practice it again. Practice it multiple times. And when you're ready and confident, you can continue with this video. Welcome back. We're going to practice dinner. Dinner is the largest meal of the day. Most families eat dinner together. What does your family and you normally do for dinner? Pause this video, type it in the chat box. We have the last role play for this video, guys. I will do the mom part, and you guys can do the child part. Are you ready? What do you want for dinner tonight? I'm thinking about pasta or chicken. Good. Do you want water or juice? Great. Dinner will be ready in 30 minutes. You're welcome. So, once you feel comfortable, practice it a couple of times. Get the fluency down, get the pronunciation down. Practice it a couple of times, and then continue with this video. Now guys, I have a quick challenge for you. This is an eval prep. Imagine you're the owner of a restaurant. Record a 30-second audio telling your customers what food you sell. Remember, you have 2 minutes to complete this task. In those 30 seconds, I want you guys to answer the following questions. What food time are you going to sell? Breakfast, lunch, dinner? What main dishes do you have? What sides do you offer? What beverages do you have? Are you ready? Go. When you're done, listen to your recording. Analyze your recording. Did you pronounce everything well? Did you use all of the vocabulary we learned in this lesson? Thank you very much, guys.